In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set recurring tasks in Jira step by step. This is an essential feature if you want to manage projects efficiently, automate routine work, and make sure nothing ever slips through the cracks. Whether you're handling weekly reports, regular maintenance tasks, or recurring follow-ups, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open the Jira website and make sure you're logged into your Jira account. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand sidebar and select the project where you want to set up the recurring task. Click on the project name to open it and ensure you're working in the correct space. Next, locate the three-dot icon next to your project name and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options. From this menu, select Space Settings. This is where you can configure important features related to your project, so follow along carefully. Once you're inside Project Settings, look again at the left-hand sidebar and find the option labeled Automation. Click on it to enter the Automation section, where Jira allows you to create rules that automate tasks and save you valuable time. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, click on the Create Rule button. When prompted, choose the option to create a rule from scratch. This gives you full control over how the recurring task will work and lets you customize it based on your team's needs. The first thing you'll do here is add a trigger. Select the scheduled trigger, which allows the task to repeat automatically. Choose the timing and frequency carefully, such as daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on how often the task should occur. This step is very important because it determines when the task will be created. Next, click on Add Component, and then select Add an Action. From the list of available actions, choose Create Work Item. This ensures that every time the scheduled trigger runs, Jira automatically creates a new task for your team. Now, select the type of work item you want to create. Choose the option that best fits your workflow, whether it's a task, story, or another work item type. Setting this correctly helps keep your project organized and ensures the task reaches the right team members. Once everything is set up and double-checked, click on Turn on Rule. This activates your automation, and your recurring task is now live and working in the background without any manual effort. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set up recurring tasks in Jira and added powerful automation to your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful and productivity boosting.